Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I am the head of Financial Education, Training and Capability Development for Wealth Trade Malaysia. Today I am going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Firstly, as we can look at the Wall Street, basically Wall Street stocks has actually closed higher, which has made the US dollar to be slightly stronger yesterday. And if we can look at the Treasury yield, it has dipped as well. Moving forward with our second fundamental analysis, as we are able to see, many investors are worried regarding on the Fed increasing the interest rate up to 75 basis points. It is likely that it would happen as they have planned previously that they would increase up to 4.2% up to 4.5% at the end of this year. We are looking forward to see it. And thirdly, as we can see, many analysts are basically awaiting for the data from Netflix, as the revenue and also the profit that we'll be getting from this particular company will actually also somehow determine where the direction of the market will be heading to. The fundamental range that we are looking at is between 1640 to 1690. The trend is likely to be unknown for now, as there is no specific direction to where it is heading to. It is possibly still bearish, however we still have to look at other coincident news that we will be getting by today. Moving forward with our technical analysis, I will take you to the investing.com. As we are able to see here at the investing.com, can go to the daily. And as you are able to see here, under the daily, we look at the Fibonacci and we have 3 support points. For the support 1, we have 1647.40. For the support 2, we have 1643.89. And for support 3, we have 1638.20. And for resistance, we have 1658.78. For resistance 2, we have 1662.29 and 1667.98. These are the support points and these are the resistance points that we are looking at. And our pivot point is basically at 1653.09. That's our pivot point actually. Yeah. So as we can see, firstly we will have to see what does our technical indicator say. What is the trend that they are giving us? As we could see here, for our technical indicators, it's actually saying a strong sell. And we can see these are all the technical indicators that are involved in order to provide us the indicator, which is for strong sell. And as we would like to have more confirmation, we can actually check with our high time frames to see what does our technical indicator say, which is also a strong sell. And for monthly, we can also see that is also for a strong sell. As we could see here, this actually confirms that we can look at our resistance points and we are able to actually place our sell. However, we would like to have more confirmation. What we will do is that we are going to use another indicator, namely as linear regression. As you could see here, at the daily time frame, you'll be able to see by using the linear regression, you will see that it is actually a downtrend at the back of it. Okay. And if let's say if you would like to check more, you can check the higher time frames about what is the trend. As we could go with the higher time frames for weekly, you will also have a slight downtrend. And if you look at the monthly, you have an uptrend. What we would do is that if let's say we have actually confirmed this, we are likely to go with our sell. However, we still want more confirmation. We can use 2 strategy tester, which would be the Bollinger Band strategy tester and the RSI strategy tester. What is most important in these 2 strategy tester is that both must provide you the percent profitable to be above 50%. So as you are able to see here, for the daily, if we look at the Bollinger Band strategy tester, for the Bollinger Band strategy tester is 62.59. Alright. And if we look at the weekly, we have 53.7, and if we look at the monthly, we have 51.72. Going forward with our RSI strategy, for our RSI strategy, for the 1 month we have 25%, for the weekly we have 38.46, and for our 1 day we have 57.73%. As we could see here, that the percentage profitable is much more higher than 50% in the daily. And we can see that all our technical indicators are also supporting more towards downtrend. Thus, we can actually look for the downtrend. Looking at our downtrend, we can actually place at our any resistance points that you would like to go to based on the pivot points. As you could see here, our resistance points is 1658.78. Depending on the current market at that time, if let's say your current market is 1640, so you can see for the next resistance point in order to place your pending order, and you can take your profit at 1653.09. That's where that you can place for your take profit. And for your stop loss, you are able to actually put it at the other resistance point, which will be the R2, which will be at 1662.29. So this is how you basically go for your trade. If you need any further information, kindly contact me. Have a great day.